First off, great work getting your application completed. That's a major first step. And now, our team gets to work. Behind the scenes, we will be preparing your file for the next stage of the process. Over the coming days, you'll likely receive requests for additional documentation from our team. That's completely normal. Our goal is to review your file thoroughly and position your loan into a fully underwritten, conditionally approved status as quickly and efficiently as possible. Now here's the important part. The speed of this process is directly tied to communication and documentation. The faster we receive requested items, the faster we can continue moving your file forward. You'll also be hearing directly from Colonel Chip Johnson, United States Air Force retired. Colonel Johnson is part of our team and will help guide you through the documentation and review process moving forward. As we continue preparing your file, consistency becomes extremely important. Do not apply for new credit. Do not make major purchases. And do not move large amounts of money between accounts without speaking with us first. These small decisions can create unnecessary delays during the approval process. Most importantly, if our team requests something, don't panic. We are simply working to strengthen your file and move you one step closer toward homeownership. We're excited to be working with you, and we'll guide you every step of the way. Remember, we've got your six and are ready to execute.